With a deep history of helping build back communities, Mazda's Local Legends campaign will help rebuild Canadian small businesses across the country. MOFFATT'S Mazda is proud to have chosen John Gaunt of Gaunt Collision Centers to assist us in helping our community. With a dedicated staff that has over 125 years of collision experience, John Gaunt and his professional team at Gaunt Collision Centers have been proudly serving their customers from this Barrie location since 2011. They have supported our community with various sponsorships, including the Elmdale Bears sledge hockey team and various minor hockey and baseball teams. They are also supporters of service clubs and charities including Hospice Simcoe, Barrie Food Bank, Women and Children's Shelters of Barrie, Royal Canadian Regional Health Centre Cancer Ward, Canadian Diabetes Association, Barrie Branch, Alzheimer's Society of Simcoe County, Barrie Rotary and Shriners Clubs, and sponsors of the MOFFATT'S Rally for Kids supporting Easter Seals Kids and Shriners Hospitals for Children. On behalf of MOFFATT'S Mazda, I would now like to present a check for $5,000 to our local legend, John Gaunt of Gaunt Collision Centers. John is pleased to use this to help support some of our charities across town. On behalf of Mazda, John, and MOFFATT'S Mazda, I'd like to present this check to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Steve.
Right on.
We'll put this to good use.
Thanks. All right. That's it.